Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this 1930s AI trend on CapCut PC. I'm just going to make the duration of the video like 2 seconds, well, the photo. Then on the first layer, go to AI Stylize, select Style, go to AI Photo, and select 80s Glam. I'm just going to wait for it to generate. Here's the percentage of that. And I'm going to add that on top like this. Then I'm going to, actually, let me just go to the filter section first. And I'm going to go to mono. And I'll add the brown effect on it. Let me just adjust the filter though. I don't want it too much. Just adjust it to like 70%-ish. Or like even at 60. Add this photo on top. Then go to video, go to mask, and actually I'll just add in a text real quick. And type in the how I would look in the 1930s. Change the font as well. Maybe this one, and place it underneath the photo. Let me just check on it first. Maybe I'm just going to change the color of that, or maybe like I'll add a shadow so you can see. There we go. Just going to place that on top. Go to mask, select horizontal, and we're going to move it like that. There. Add a keyframe here, and then like in the middle, you're going to drag this line to the right. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!